All right. So in the previous video, we searched for HR term and we got the results and we got these profile URLs. Now we see that there are multiple pages in LinkedIn. We can keep on clicking next and we can get more and more data. So how do we do this? So we have a command for that is linkedin.clickNext, right? I press Shift Enter to execute this and we'll see it actually clicks on the next button and we can see here the page, it has gone to the second page, right? And now if I just see, okay, it is second page, just to confirm it is on the second page here. If I now run again this command linkedin.people_results, so it will understand the page again and it has brought us the new URLs. You can see Nancy Rajput till Janki Dangi. So if I just verify, this is Nancy Rajput in the first and Janki Dangi in the end. So we got all the 10 profile URLs. These profile URLs are different. This is for the second page and these are for the first page. All right. So there is another command, linkedin.scroll. We'll see how to use this in the future videos where we'll having use of this thing. In the next video, we are going to fetch profile detail information for all these different URLs. We're going to fetch detail information of every profile. All right. Thank you.